DIY projects can be incredibly rewarding, but they can also be challenging without the right tools. That's where DIY tools come in, designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. In this video, we'll dive into some of the best DIY tools that can help you tackle your next project like a pro. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Ever wondered how professionals achieve perfect curves and contours in their craft? Enter the Sacher Contour Gauge, a precision tool that's become an indispensable companion for craftsmen, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals across various industries. This ingenious device consists of hundreds of movable pins that precisely copy and transfer the shape of any irregular surface. When pressed against an edge, curve, or unusual profile, the pins slide and lock into position, creating an exact replica of the original shape. Woodworkers use it to match moldings, plumbers to trace pipe configurations, and home improvers to create custom fittings around uneven surfaces like walls or tiles. Made typically from durable stainless steel or high-grade plastic, the Sacher Contour Gauge is lightweight, portable, and remarkably accurate. Its simple yet innovative design allows users to duplicate complex shapes with minimal effort. Breaking free from the tape measure's tyranny, the REEKON T1 Tomahawk emerges as a digital precision tool for modern craftsmen. This compact, rugged tool combines laser distance measurement with intelligent digital tracking. Its standout feature is the ability to measure lengths, areas, and volumes with remarkable precision, all while providing real-time calculations directly on its clear digital display. Built with durability in mind, the T1 Tomahawk can withstand tough job site conditions, featuring a robust design that resists dust, water, and accidental drops. Professionals appreciate its one-button operation, Bluetooth connectivity for data transfer, and the ability to store multiple measurements. Whether you're a carpenter, DIY enthusiast, or renovation expert, the REEKON T1 Tomahawk transforms measuring from a tedious task to a quick, accurate process that saves time and reduces human error. The Teslong NTS300 is a versatile, compact borescope designed for professionals and enthusiasts who need to inspect hard-to-reach areas. This digital endoscope features a semi-rigid cable that can navigate through complex spaces, making it ideal for automotive diagnostics, home maintenance, industrial inspections, and even wildlife research. Equipped with a 5.5mm waterproof camera head, the NTS300 provides high-resolution images with adjustable LED lighting to illuminate dark or confined spaces. Its 4.3-inch IPS screen offers a clear, real-time video feed, while the device supports both photo and video recording directly to an included micro SD card. With multiple interchangeable camera heads and a focus range from 1 to 4 inches, the Teslong NTS300 offers remarkable versatility for detailed visual inspections across various professional and personal applications. Power meets precision in the DEWALT 20V Max cordless drill driver, a workhorse designed to tackle both professional construction projects and home improvement tasks with equal finesse. This robust tool combines impressive performance with ergonomic design, featuring a powerful brushless motor that delivers maximum efficiency and extended runtime. The drill offers multiple speed settings and a high-performance transmission, allowing users to easily switch between drilling and driving applications. Its compact, lightweight design reduces user fatigue, while the LED work light illuminates dark workspaces, ensuring accuracy in challenging conditions. The 20V Max battery platform provides consistent power and is compatible with other DEWALT tools, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. With a comfortable grip, variable speed trigger, and magnetic bit holder, this cordless drill driver simplifies complex tasks. Ever wished for a tool that could conquer tight spaces where traditional pliers fear to tread? The Knipex Cobra XS is precisely that compact powerhouse of precision engineering. This miniature version of the legendary Cobra adjustable pliers packs incredible gripping strength into a surprisingly small package. Measuring just 125mm long, the Cobra XS is designed for precision work in confined areas where standard pliers would be unwieldy. Its self-locking slip joint mechanism allows for quick adjustment to various nut and bolt sizes, while the slim profile enables access to hard-to-reach spaces. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium electric steel and featuring a polished surface, the Cobra XS resists corrosion and provides excellent grip on different materials. The innovative design allows for a secure, non-slip hold with minimal effort, reducing hand strain during extended use. Picture a woodworking solution that transforms straight cuts from a frustrating challenge to a precise, effortless task. The BORA NGX clamp edge system emerges as a game-changing guide for woodworkers seeking accuracy and consistency. This innovative cutting guide features a unique clamping mechanism that securely holds workpieces while providing a perfectly straight cutting path. The system's aluminum rail is lightweight yet rigid, ensuring smooth and accurate cuts across various materials and power tools like circular saws, track saws, and routers. Quick to set up and adjust, the NGX system eliminates the need for complex measuring and marking. Its universal compatibility with multiple saw brands and adaptable design make it suitable for both professional woodworkers and serious DIY enthusiasts. The adjustable clamps and precise measurement markings allow users to make repeatable cuts with minimal setup time, reducing potential errors and increasing overall project efficiency. The Wolfcraft Tech mobile drill stand transforms handheld drills into precision stationary tools, offering remarkable versatility for woodworking and DIY enthusiasts. This mobile stand allows users to convert their standard handheld drill into a stable, vertical drilling platform with exceptional accuracy and control. Engineered with a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum construction, the Tech Mobile features a sliding guide rail that enables precise vertical and angular drilling at various angles. Its quick-release drill mounting system ensures rapid setup and compatibility with most drill sizes and brands. The stand's wide base provides exceptional stability, while the adjustable depth stop allows for consistent and repeatable drilling depths. In the world of precision craftsmanship, where straight lines can make or break a project, the Stabila Spirit Level stands as a trusted guardian of perfect alignment. Renowned for its exceptional accuracy, this tool has become an essential companion for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts across various trades. Crafted with meticulous German engineering, the Stabila Spirit Level features highly sensitive, liquid-filled vials that provide crystal-clear horizontal and vertical alignment readings. Its sturdy aluminum frame ensures durability and resistance to job site wear and tear, while the high-visibility yellow-green color makes it easy to locate on busy workspaces. Available in multiple lengths and styles, from compact pocket versions to extended professional models, Stabila levels offer precise measurements with a standard accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter. The robust design includes magnets for metal surface attachment, non-slip end caps, and a protective coating that resists damage from drops and impacts. The Klein Tools multi-bit screwdriver exemplifies versatility and durability in a compact professional-grade tool. Designed for electricians, contractors, and serious DIY enthusiasts, this screwdriver combines multiple bit functions into a single, streamlined instrument that reduces the need for carrying multiple tools. Featuring a robust all-metal construction, the multi-bit screwdriver includes a comfortable ergonomic handle that provides excellent grip and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its magnetic bit holder securely maintains bits in place, while the quick-release mechanism allows for rapid bit changes without losing time or productivity. The integrated bit storage within the handle ensures that users always have multiple bit types readily available, including Phillips, flathead, and specialty bits for various applications. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in tool belts or pockets, offering professionals a lightweight yet powerful solution for diverse fastening tasks. Ready to transform rough surfaces into silky smooth masterpieces with the flick of a switch? The Roybi 18V1 Plus Belt Sander emerges as a cordless powerhouse for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Part of Ryobi's versatile 18V1 Plus battery system, this belt sander delivers professional-grade performance without the limitations of corded tools. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability, while the variable speed control enables precise sanding across different materials and project requirements. The tool features a robust motor capable of maintaining consistent power and speed, ensuring even surface finishing. Equipped with a quick-release belt system, users can rapidly change sanding belts without complex tools or procedures. The integrated dust collection port helps maintain a clean workspace, reducing cleanup time and protecting respiratory health. When Jack Frost threatens to halt your productivity, The Milwaukee M12 heated jacket stands as a tactical defense against the cold, transforming winter work environments into comfortable, warm zones of efficiency. Powered by Milwaukee's reliable M12 battery system, this innovative jacket provides strategic heating across key body areas. 3 adjustable heat settings allow users to customize their warmth, ranging from a mild 105 degrees Fahrenheit to a toasty 115 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring comfort in temperatures as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The jacket's carbon fiber heating elements distribute warmth evenly, creating a consistent thermal environment. Designed for outdoor professionals like construction workers, utility technicians, and landscapers, the jacket maintains durability with water-resistant fabric and reinforced wear points. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise mobility, allowing full range of motion while providing exceptional thermal protection. The battery-powered heating system means no bulky cords or external heating elements. The Agawa BOREAL21 represents a revolutionary approach to portable sawing, combining innovative design with exceptional portability for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. This unique bow saw folds into an incredibly compact form, making it easy to transport while maintaining robust cutting capabilities for wilderness and worksite applications. Constructed from high-grade aluminum, the BOREAL21 weighs just over 2 pounds and can be fully collapsed into a slim profile that easily fits into backpacks, tool bags, or emergency kits. Its ingenious design allows users to quickly deploy the saw from its compact state to a full-length cutting tool in seconds without requiring any additional tools or complex assembly. The saw's blade is made from durable Swedish steel, capable of cutting through green wood, dry lumber, and various outdoor materials with remarkable efficiency. Tired of wrestling with stubborn pipes and imprecise cutting tools, the Knipex TubiX pipe cutter slices through complexity with surgical precision. Engineered for professionals in plumbing, heating, and installation industries, this innovative pipe cutter delivers exceptional performance across multiple material types. Its unique design allows for cutting stainless steel, copper, brass, and thin-walled aluminum pipes with remarkable ease and accuracy. The TubiX features an adjustable cutting wheel that can handle pipe diameters from 6 to 35 millimeters, providing versatility in tight and challenging work environments. A standout feature is the integrated deburring tool, which eliminates sharp edges immediately after cutting, saving valuable time during installation processes. Constructed from high-quality chrome vanadium electric steel, the Knipex TubiX demonstrates the brand's commitment to durability and professional-grade performance. The Werner ladder leveler is a critical accessory designed to enhance safety and stability when positioning ladders on uneven surfaces. This innovative attachment addresses one of the most significant challenges professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts face: maintaining a level ladder on irregular terrain. Constructed from durable, lightweight aluminum, the leveler attaches easily to ladder legs, providing adjustable support that compensates for ground irregularities. Its design allows for precise height adjustment, ensuring the ladder remains stable on surfaces like stairs, slopes, and rough ground. The independent leg levelers can be individually adjusted, creating a secure foundation that reduces the risk of slipping or tipping. Safety features include non-slip rubber feet and a robust locking mechanism that prevents accidental movement during use. Compatible with various ladder types and sizes, the Werner ladder leveler transforms potentially dangerous climbing scenarios into stable, secure work platforms. Imagine a hidden fastening system that transforms deck building from a visible, nail-riddled process to a seamless, clean masterpiece. The Camo Drive emerges as a game-changing solution for woodworking professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. This innovative deck fastening system allows users to create virtually invisible connections between deck boards, eliminating unsightly screw heads and traditional fastening methods. By driving screws at an angle through the side of the board, the Camo Drive creates a clean, smooth surface that showcases the natural beauty of the wood. The system includes a specialized tool and proprietary ProTech-coated screws designed to resist corrosion and provide exceptional holding power. Its precision-engineered design ensures consistent spacing and alignment, reducing installation time and potential errors. Compatible with various decking materials, including pressure-treated lumber, hardwoods, and composite boards, the Camo Drive offers woodworkers a professional-grade solution that combines aesthetic appeal with structural integrity. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more video like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future video. Also, feel free to check out the links in the description for all the tools we talked about. Take care, and I will see you next time.